Yeah.
Bitch. So, this is like the before of this shithole. Before we come in and clean it all up. We're gonna come through now and clean all this up, and then hopefully start probably tearing out this carpet to clean this place up. Yeah. I'll show you guys how it looks in a little bit. Yeah. Yeah.
Just forgot to take out the milk.
The damn milk. I know you don't need any, but I do. So this is this room after we just hit it. Looks pretty fucking amazing, I reckon.
Yeah, we just hit it. Fuck.
Here's this other room. Nice and clean. We're gonna tear the carpet all up, but swept this room, bathroom, took care of all this. Yeah. So yeah. That's what we got going on. We still got...
No. Just her little crunch. Ah, no, it just frayed a little bit. It's okay. Whoops. Stepped all over the drywall. Okay.
Still gotta do this room full of dog shit, but
You get to do that room
everyone's scared.
all by yourself.
Everyone's scared, so I
I
have
hope
to
you
do it
have
alone.
fun.
So yeah, that's
Guess
nice.
who's not?
Bro, you hear that guy? Bro.
You're a pussy if you don't go. Alright, here we are. Going under a culvert under the highway. Walk faster, John. Let's go skinwalkers. I might do. Send it. I don't like how we can't see through. Oh, wow. No, me neither. It makes me wonder what's on the other side. Water check rushing towards us. I'm running, bro. Oh, yeah. I'm running. Straight running. Is that light? No. That might be. That might be. Oh, yeah. There's light. Keep going down. I think there's light. I'm seeing things, maybe. It's a skinwalker. I see light down there. That's what I'm saying. Come on, John. Put some speed on those wheels. There's some light up there. This hunchback walking shit ain't cool. The wheel over head is like, told you. No way we got under the whole highway doing this. This is insane. Ow, I just nailed my head on the fucking top of this thing. Oh, shit. Not short enough to stand up in here. Fuck me. Bro, no way. Yo. Dude, this is crazy. And there's the other side. There's the other side. I bet my truck's right there by that thing. Oh, there's a ladder. There's a ladder. You think we can get this manhole cover off? No way.
This one's gonna be hard. We ready? Go after this Jeep. Go, go, go. We're running. Go, go, go. Oh, shit. Run, oh, fuck. Yeah, son. Nice. Carpet's out. Control Alt Delete. There's that. This is all torn up. There's all the carpet that was in here. Nice. You know what's funny as fuck? Alright, guys. So this is gonna be like the part 1 series of this place because you see what we've done. I've moved in for now. I'm gonna put this on and fix this whole situation so that this shuts right. Since it doesn't shut right now. Yeah. So I'm gonna take care of that. Got paint so I can start painting these walls. We'll have flooring soon, but yeah, that's pretty much gonna end this video. I'm gonna try and clean this little kitchen off camera at some point and hopefully start painting shortly. The upstairs will probably be forgotten about for some time, but we'll get to it eventually. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's gonna end this video. See you in the next one. We'll get some more shit done.